Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time. I have not posted any video. So, today we are going out for a ride to Vongir Fort, and I'll be making a short video of that. But before that, I hope all of you guys are doing well. Everybody is fit and fine and staying healthy. With that being said, I'll be moving out shortly as the meeting point is at Cyber Towers at 6 a.m., which is about 30 minutes from now. So I'll have to fuel up the bike as well. I didn't get a chance yesterday, I cleaned her up. So let's go ahead and meet on the road. See you guys. So we are back on the road, and it's a wonderful morning to ride. I mean, this is like my first ride since the lockdown. A first ride, as in first long ride. Yes, I have ridden several times within the city, but those are like 15, 20 kilometers max, like in total distance up and down. But this will be my first 100 kilometers plus ride after the lockdown. And I mean, yes, the weather, it's literally beautiful morning today to ride with the blue skies, white clouds. It's bright and sunny after quite some time because the last few days or weeks there was incessant rain, which made it difficult to even go out of the house. Forget about riding. But today I'm literally happy that after so many days and months, I am back on the road along with the bike, and it's really wonderful. I believe I would enjoy the ride. As far as the destination is concerned, we are supposed to ride to Bhongir Fort today. We had several other options like Sri Salem and Kambam Lake and a few other options. But because of the current situation, people were a bit skeptical whether they would eat outside or not, and hence we wanted to keep it short and return around lunch, let's say 12 to 1 in the afternoon. So, Bhongir Fort, which is about 113 kilometers from Hyderabad, is the location that we chose, and we are on our way there. We were supposed to start off by like 6:30, but a few of our riders got late, and finally we started off around like 7ish from the starting point. And we hope to reach there within like 8:30, provided that we do not get much traffic on the road. Till now, the roads are pretty empty. As you can see, we can cruise along pretty well. So let's see how Bhongir Fort treats us. Unfortunately, by the time we reached Bhongir Fort, it was around like 8:15, 8:20 in the morning, and we got to know that Bhongir Fort was closed due to the lockdown, and post that they never reopened. Uh, so, I mean, we were literally disappointed and dejected. Like, we came all the way down, and then the destination is closed. We thought what to do and spent quite some time deciding what next. Should we ride back to Hyderabad, or should we go further, go someplace else? I mean, the weather at this point of time, as you can see, is literally beautiful. It's neither sunny nor cloudy. There's a wonderful breeze. I mean, the roads, as you can see, are literally awesome with greenery on both sides. The, there's a good tree cover on both sides of the road, so the ride was pleasant, the weather was pleasant. So finally, after like wasting 1.5 hours or maybe a bit more, we decided that we would ride to a new location, which is Pakhal Lake, which was around 100 and about 120 odd kilometers from where we were. We were near Bhongir Fort on the highway. So we decided to pull it off. Google Maps was showing another 2 hours and 45 minutes of ride, and it was already about 10:40 when we started off. But roads, as you can see, overall roads are pretty good. It's like a state highway or an internal highway with no division between the two lanes except for the marking, but we could still easily maintain around 90 to 100 odd with bursts of like 120 or 130. So overall, yep, uh, we started off and few of our riders dropped back because our target of coming back like 1 in the afternoon was never going to be fulfilled because we were trying to reach there before like let's say 12:30 to 12 o'clock odd or maybe around that time and try and come back before sunset around like 6ish in the afternoon. While going, as usual, Google Maps ने हमें थोड़ा घुमा दिया. It took us through roads wherein, I mean, you cannot literally take these kind of bikes and travel. We had to because if we had to come back through those roads again and take a different route, it would take a lot of time. So yeah, we continued through those roads. So total of out of the 220 kilometers odd that we traveled, we got bad roads for around let's say 10, 15-ish kilometers, around 10% or maybe a little less than 10%. But overall, yeah, it is fun. We are like literally trying to make up the lost time that we had, trying to decide where we would go, the destination. And right now, I think we have another 80 odd kilometers. It's already nearing 12 o'clock. We have around like 70, 80 odd kilometers or something like that. So let's see how quickly we can reach because as you can see, we are going through like a town or a village kind of an area where there's quite a lot of traffic as well as human footfall. So we have to be pretty careful. People are like, even if you horn, wouldn't even they would ignore your presence and simply cross the road like as if you are not there and the road is there. So yeah, we have to be that extra bit careful. We are around 15 to 20 odd kilometers now from Pakha Lake. As you can see, we are passing through a village now, and traffic, I mean, it's there. It's not like a very smooth riding during the last few kilometers because the roads are okayish. There are a bit of broken roads as well, and there's a lot of oncoming traffic, and there's a lot of cattle traffic as well. I mean, there are herds of like sheep and goat that people are taking through the road. We faced several of these, and see, this is what I'm talking about. देख सकते हो जैसे ये they're covering half the road, and in some instances पूरे road cover करके चल रहे थे, and we didn't have space to like squeeze our rides through, so we had to literally stop and wait for them to pass. Scenery जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, it's like literally beautiful. There's lush green fields on both sides of the roads. दोनों तरफ पेड़ हैं. Foliage cover is pretty good. The You can see the trees providing enough shade, and the sun is pretty hot. It's beating down now, and riding with all the gear, yes, काफी गर्मी लग रहा है अभी. काफी गर्मी हो रही है. We had stopped once some time back to just rehydrate ourselves क्योंकि इतने heat में in dehydration होने का काफी chance रहता है. When we're near Hyderabad, temperatures were around 28, 29. Now they're around 36, 35, 36. ये part में काफ़ी गर्मी है. I'm not sure if these parts there's rain in these parts of तेलंगाना, but हाँ हैदराबाद जैसे तो शायद से नहीं हुआ रहेगा क्योंकि काफ़ी गर्मी है. ये देखो पूरा रास्ता covered up and you barely have space to cross. अभी क्या बोल सकते हैं, गांव में तो ऐसा होता ही रहता है. द मेजर चैलेंज इज अचानक से इफ दे कम ओवर, आई मीन, तो फिर गिरने का चांसेस रहते रहते. देखो अचानक से दे स्टार्टेड रनिंग. दे वेरी वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, कब कहाँ से आ जाए. इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट टू क्रॉस दीज बिकॉज अगर सामने अचानक से आ गया तो कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाए, यूल हैव अ फॉल. आई मीन आई होप गियर के लिए कुछ होगा नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी हु वांट्स टू फॉल फ्रॉम द बाइक। लेकिन क्या कर सकते हैं, अब जाना है डेस्टिनेशन पे, जैसा रास्ता है दैट्स हाउ we'll have to cross. I mean, we can't make roads for ourselves, right? और ये ADV है नहीं, this is not a adventure bike, this is just a normal sports tourer bike as Kawasaki calls it. So bad roads and all, हाँ ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत you can ride on, लेकिन if you're expecting like Triumph Tiger or Africa Twin, which is my next target, उस तरीके का मतलब रोड हैंडलिंग वगैरह, बैड रोड हैंडलिंग तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं है। अगर ज़्यादा, आई मीन इफ देयर अ डीप डिच और समथिंग, देखो, आई मीन ये ऐसे 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 ही रास्ते पे चलाने के लिए, आई मीन काफ़ी टाइम हम लोगों का बर्बाद हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द कैटल ट्रैफिक रादर देन vehicular traffic. But let's hope we reach there pretty soon. बस we are about to reach, ऐसे अभी देखा, I just crossed over the area, the gate, so I'll take a U-turn लेके फिर से वापस जाना पड़ेगा। I wasn't riding that fast, लेकिन Google Maps काफ़ी आगे दिखा रहा था, as you can see, वो अभी भी आगे ही दिखा रहा है, like few kilometers down, but the actual location is थोड़ा सा आगे जाके बस वहीं पे राइट लेना पड़ेगा here. And there is one of our fellow riders, Dev, he has also reached along with me. तो ये है पाखा लेक का एंट्रेंस। अभी पता नहीं, सामने से तो वैसे गेट तो बंद दिख रहा है, बट आई होप दे अलाउ अस इन, बिकॉज काफ़ी दूर से आए हैं। वी हैव रिडन अराउंड 225 230 kilometers to reach the place. I hope they do allow us in. Finally, after speaking with those in charge over there, they allowed us in, and not only allowed us in, they allowed us to take our bikes in. Yes, उनको भी दया आ गया कि बेचारे इतने गर्मी में इतने दूर से आए हैं, चलो इनको अलाउ कर देते हैं अंदर। सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइड इनसाइड द प्रोमाइसेस नाउ, एंड आई होप कि अंदर व्यूज अच्छे मिले, वी गेट सम गुड शॉट्स। देयर इज वन ऑफ आवर फेलो राइडर्स हु इज ऑलरेडी देयर, तो इन्होंने, हाँ, इनसे हम लोगों ने बात किया एंड दे वर काइंड एनफ टू अलाउ अस, दे जस्ट आस्किंग अस टू लाइक come back within 30 minutes. That's it. I mean, 30 minutes should be more than enough for us. So let's see how the things are. दोनों तरफ there's काफी greenery. Roads are like broken, but and there's the lake. थोड़ा सा व्यू मिला, we had a peek at the lake. देखते हैं सामने व्यू पॉइंट्स वगैरह कैसे मिलते हैं। जैसे बता रहा था, roads are like completely broken, but who cares, we're not going to ride for long on these roads, it'll just be a short incursion and that's about it. काफी लोग दिख रहे हैं सामने, यही व्यू पॉइंट होना चाहिए शायद से। हाँ, इट सीम्स टू बी वन ऑफ द व्यू पॉइंट्स। थोड़ा आगे जाके बाइक लगाते हैं और फिर देखते हैं कैसा क्या है। द व्यू पॉइंट वॉज गुड, बट इट वॉज लाइक प्रिटी क्राउडेड। जैसे आपने देखा उस टाइम काफ़ी लोग खड़े हुए थे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द करंट सिचुएशन हम कुछ ज़्यादा क्राउडेड एरिया में जाना नहीं चाहते थे। तो वहाँ पे जो लोग थे उन्होंने बोला यू कैन गो फर्दर डाउन, तो आपको और व्यू पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। तो दैट्स वाई वी आर राइडिंग फर्दर डाउन टू सी आगे जाके व्यू पॉइंट्स कैसे मिलते हैं। द लेक इट्स ह्यूज, आई मीन इट्स नॉट वेरी ह्यूज, बट लेकिन फिर भी काफ़ी बड़ा लेक है। जैसा आपको दिख रहा है, हम अंदर जा रहे हैं, लेकिन राइट साइड में हमारा अभी भी लेक है। थ्रू द ट्री कवर, थ्रू द फॉलेज, यू कैन प्रॉब्ली सी, आपको दिखेगा। ये देखिए, यहाँ पे भी और एक व्यू पॉइंट है। तो थोड़ा और आगे जाके देखते हैं कैसा है, क्योंकि पहले जो पॉइंट मिला था वहाँ से तो ना हम ड्रोन उड़ा सकते थे, ना कुछ खास शेड था। एंड आफ्टर राइडिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग इन द सन, वी लिटरली नीड सम शेड। थोड़ा शेड में जाके बैठेंगे। मे बी जो भी स्नैक्स वगैरह हम लोगों ने लाया है, देखिए लोग आगे पैदल भी जा रहे हैं व्यू पॉइंट्स देखने। सो वहाँ पे जाके मे बी थोड़ा बहुत कुछ खाएंगे, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करेंगे। We'll hydrate ourselves and start off by maybe 1 o'clock. Our target to start off by maybe 1 o'clock and return to Hyderabad ASAP. क्योंकि बीच में रुक के खाने का तो कोई किसी का इंटेंशन है नहीं। तो चलिए देखते हैं हाउ थिंग्स आर। प्रॉब्ली यस, विल स्टॉप हियर, क्योंकि आगे और कहीं रास्ता दिख तो नहीं रहा है। विल स्टॉप हियर। एंड हाँ, वो लेक तो दिख रहा है उधर, और थोड़ा सा जगह भी दिख रहा है नीचे शायद से जाने के लिए। तो चलते हैं, लेट्स सी, लेट्स गो डाउन एंड सी द अदर राइडर्स आर आल्सो हियर। सो लेट्स सी हाउ द थिंग्स आर।